Hello friends, this is my back program. I have created one program back file. This is one back file program. I will show you that how it works. See, it says if password got wrong, your PC will die. You have three chances. I will type K, incorrect password, S, incorrect password, W, incorrect password, E, incorrect password. Press any key to continue. Window will now close, but it won't. The real password is KISSWOR. See, I have pressed skip one song and it will take me to this direction.
She just wants to be beautiful, she goes unnoticed, she knows no limits, she craves attention, she praises an image she prays to be sculpted by the sculptor. Oh, she don't see the light that's shining deeper than the eyes can find it. Maybe we've made her blind, so she tries to cover up her pain and cut her woes away. 'Cause cover girls don't cry after their face is made. But there's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know.